Hello guys, welcome back to our channel One to Step. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to delete an existing message on Plenty of Fish dating app. So first of all, let's open our web browser and type in www.pof.com on the search bar and hit enter. After you hit enter, it will take you to the official site of Plenty of Fish dating app. As you can see, my account is already logged in, so I don't have to log in. Now as you can see in the top bar of this web page, click on inbox, and after clicking on inbox it will take you to this page. And as you can see, here are two options: conversation and send message. Click on send messages, and as you can see, this is an existing message I've sent to this person. Click on it and click on these three dots and click on delete conversation. Now you have successfully deleted an existing message on Plenty of Fish dating app. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this, and I'll see you guys later.